please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new, and if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Okay, today we are going to be making this beautiful license plate for my auntie. I got this from Conde, gave this to me, so thank you, Conde. And we're gonna be using Conde license plate and Cosmos ink. So let's just jump into it. Let's go. I do want you to know that the size is 12.42 by 6.26. Okay, I have no idea how I'm gonna decorate this for my auntie. She is a nurse. Alright, so first I do want to give it the template look. So there are 4 little ovals. They're 1 each a piece. Right, so I'm going to duplicate that. And that's just approximate. They may not be right there, but I'm just giving myself, you know, an idea. Now I did measure, but see, this doesn't have the grids like Cricut, so I can't be 100% sure. So I'm just estimating. See, if I had the grids, I could be 100% sure of where these things line up. But it's okay because I'll just put everything in the middle of there. Okay, so I have no idea what I want to do. First, let me see which picture I'm going to use so that I can know what colors to use. So I think I'm going to use old girl right here. And I'm measuring in between the 2 images to see how tall she could be. So she could be 4 inches. 4 inches in height. To make sure she's in between the 2 holes. Alright? I don't have to have this, but I'm going to play around with it. I think I want this background to be... So I thought that I could use a cute hospital background or, you know, that clip art, but I thought that looked too kitty. So I just went ahead and said, I'll just keep it plain, nice and simple. I want this one. Nursing is a work of art. See what the size is. I want it to be 4 inches because no matter where it is, 4 inches will be in between those the holes, okay? And then I think I want a gradient background. Y'all know I love the gradients. The gradient. It just has to go. It gotta give me what I'm trying to get, y'all. It has to go with the flow. That actually looks nice. I never would have put that there. But that actually looks nice. She's not really a pink girl, so that won't work. This looks nice. Alright, that looks nice, but I kind of want some stuff around the border. Kind of want something else. Let's see if they have any borders. Maybe some flowers. She is working on her garden. So maybe some pretty flowers that match that. I think that might set it off, y'all. I think I figured it out. I have to get some colorful flowers that match. See, like this with that match. That's exactly what I'm looking for. Let's see. Oh, sooky. I think we done found it. Ooh, ooh. Yep, I think that's it. Y'all. I think we found it. All I'm doing is duplicating the flowers to make it even. Where those oval holes are, it's fine if the flowers are in between that because it's perfectly okay. I deleted the ones I'm not using, and then now I'm going to see if I want to add a little more. Let's see if I like this or not. I think I like this one. I think this one is too much. They both are cute, but I think this one, is too far over. Yeah, I'm going to do this one. Should I put her name on here? Let's see. She is an Aryan. And she really, that's a big deal. Maybe I'll scoot it over and put her name. Aryan, that's Christina. Aryan Christina. We'll change the font and see which one looks better. But I think the personalization give it a little right? That's what I think. Aryan Christina. Yeah, I think Aryan Christina is better. Alright, we almost done, y'all. I actually like this color. But it looked like it's too much of the turquoise. But I like it. Ugh. Decisions. What we gonna do? Okay. I'm gonna do. Let's do an effect on it and see what it does. Okay. I really like that blue, but I can't change these colors. I mean, it's turquoisey color. Dang it. It's always some stuff in the game. Let's see. Maybe I could do it like that. So it's not just the regular purple, it's like the turquoise and purple. Now we just do the purple. It's okay. Alright, that's beautiful. So let's go ahead and download this. Alright, we're gonna merge it. Oh, this is just so cute to me. Oh, those circles. I'm so happy I saw that. I have to fix those circles. I would have been so mad. These circles, you have to make sure you delete them. Okay, now merge it. See, I can't get two of those. I try to get two of them on here, but I can't. So I just hope it come out right the first time. Alright, let's get it. Alright, I got this Mako Gloss aluminum license plate. I got this from Conde gave me this. So let's go ahead and clean it off and get it ready. The piece is gone now. You want to make sure everything is clean. Okay. I have the image printed out here. Okay. We're going to cut the excess paper off. Asub. Using Cricut tape today. Now it's silver on this side and white gloss on this side. Oh, I have more than enough room. I have more than enough room. I'd rather have more than not enough. So it's more than enough room. I guess we could tape it here. You don't have to put as much tape as I do. That's just something I do. Some people be like, you put so much tape, you put so much glue. But I just prefer to have more than enough. Now it's taped on there. You'll see where the flowers will be. I could scoot it up if I wanted to. But I think I'm gonna leave it just like that. Let's go to the heat press. All right, we're at the heat press. Butcher's tape on the bottom. See the image there. You can get a preview of what it's gonna look like. If I wanted to scoot it over more, I could. Should I scoot it over more? No, we're leaving it just like that. All right, nice press down. I have it at 386 at 60 seconds because this gets pretty hot, and we gonna see. Gotta grab my heat gloves. All right. See, this is why we do that butcher paper. Uh-oh. Oh, Lord, please don't let it be. Oh, okay, it should be fine. I hope it's fine. Whew. Yes. Oh, yeah, it's fine. It just want ink on there. I wanted to make sure it's enough space. Oh, my goodness. This is so pretty. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my auntie's gonna love it. Oh, this is gorgeous. Do y'all see this? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I'm in love with these colors. Come through, Conde. Come through, Cosmos Ink. Oh, my goodness. Oh, this is popping. Ooh, it's gorgeous. Oh, so cute. I can't deal with that. That is adorable. And that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. Please join our Facebook group, Queen Dreamer, if you have not already. We love it over there. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Follow me on Instagram, Do Dream On. TikTok, Do Dream On. Like I said, join the Facebook group. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. And I love y'all. Did y'all know that? I think y'all knew that. Well, y'all be safe out there. You hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.